In this video, I'll be asking the question, can someone who's primarily a landscape photographer utilise their skills to capture different images in a cityscape? Hi and welcome to this video. Slightly different format from my normal ones, but I'm in the fantastic, culturally rich city, architecturally rich city of Istanbul. Absolutely stunning. So what I'm trying to do in this gallery is demonstrate the ability to capture things from a different angle. And I'm hoping that I can really tell a story here about Istanbul and the vibrancy and richness of this city. Coming from a background of landscape photography, taking cities is something that I really love, capturing the architecture, the life, the rich culture of the city, the people within the city as well. So I'll include a series of galleries to demonstrate and show the images that I've captured whilst I've been here. I've currently got the Blue Mosque behind me, and the Hagia Sophia or the Hagia Sophia is just on the other side of me as well. So I'm in the main tourist bit right now, but actually I'm going to be traveling around the various parts of this city to really kind of capture the essence and the richness of the culture. And in these galleries, what I'll be doing is trying to capture some different angles. We often see the same images of cities and architecture and culture, etc. What I'm going to try and do is try and see if I can capture some different ones. So I'll include, if you like, the stock images, but I'll also include some different ones as well in each of the galleries. Let me know in the comments below what you think of each of these images. So stick around throughout each of the galleries, because I'm sure there may be some that you don't like, but actually I'm hoping that there will definitely be some that you actually do like as well and understand the context and the story that it's trying to explain in the image. I've done this previously as well. I've done this in New York. I'll put the description to the videos down below. I think I did all right, to be honest, but I more than welcome your critique and your comments. So please feel free to drop any comments you have about the images, whether you think I've got some different angles. So please enjoy these images. I will not be doing a big talk over of each. I'll give a little bit of textual description because I want the images to really speak for themselves. Let me know in the comments below what you think to this new format. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is massively appreciated. And without further ado, let's get on with our first gallery of the many that I'll be showing today. And that was my final gallery. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and drop any comments you may have below in terms of what images that you liked and maybe even disliked. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Your time watching my videos is very much appreciated as well, and I will see you soon. Goodbye and farewell until next time.